Hello everyone, I have 2013 Honda Accord and today I am looking to change its AC filter. It is a really super quick, easy work to do, and typically dealers would ask for $40, $50, even $70 to do it. It takes 1 minute to change out the filter and no tools are required. So here is the AC filter I just got from the Honda dealer parts department. It's $18 and you can see that right here in the part number. The AC filter is behind the glove box and there's a little thingy here. You're gonna push that back and now that is free. Next thing we're going to do is press on the sides, left and right side together, kind of push that in a little bit, and while it's pushed in I'm going to pull this glove box toward me. So we're going to do it with one hand. Once we have freed the glove box from both sides, this drops down easily. Behind it, it's this cover on the filter and had these kind of latches on both sides. So we're going to grab both latches together and one at a time and just pull them towards us. This cover comes out and this cover easily comes off. The next thing we know, here is our AC filter. We're going to pull that towards us. We're going to make sure we make a note of the flow, which is from top to down. Pull that out, and this is quite dirty, the reason we're changing it, and the new filter is gonna go right in. So this thing goes, so I'm gonna take the new filter, same flow top to bottom, and I'm gonna push that in this casing. Slides right in. Once it's firmly inside, you're gonna put that cover back on. And again, it's just gonna just click in its place. See if I can do that with one hand. Awesome. And this is all it took. I did that with one hand, holding the camera with the other. So if you're just doing that with both hands together, you should be able to do it in about a minute, maybe. And once we're done, we are going to connect this thingy back here. Gonna pull that towards you, go here, and then pull it up. So it should connect. And then the same way we drop the glove box down, we're going to push that inwards and move the glove box in its place. Now it says firmly in place, glove box is closed, and our dirty filter is changed. We're going to throw that away. Good luck and save a ton of money.